Yeah, I'm here again with the unboxing, the revealing of something special, something very special. You know, some of y'all ain't really, you broke people ain't got it. You know, I don't really be trying to get on that level, but your boy just leveled up, man. I don't be on no flexing shit, but I'm just gonna let y'all see what your boy got right now. Your boy got the 350s. Woo! Yeah. The boots, you see what it say? The Yeezy boots. Yeah, yes sir. Let's take a peek. Let's take a little peek out. You see, they slide out like this, then they slide back in. Slide out, and then they slide back in. No. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see what I'm working with those. Gotta let y'all see these. Oh, hold on, I gotta take them out slowly. Yes, put them up like I'm holding Simba. I'm Mufasa. I'm holding my baby right now. Yeah. Take a closer look at these bitches. These bitches sexy as fuck. Oh my god, this is my first time looking at these bitches too though, to be honest. Yeah. I ain't never even worn these bitches before. These my first pair, so like I'm feeling good right now because I wasn't even able to bash it like this before, but now I'm happy with how the level I came to now. And this is what hard work look like. You get to do shit like this, you get fast enough like this. Treat yourself sometimes. I do a lot of shit for everybody, so don't hate on me. I work hard for this shit. You feel me? Like I ain't even on no flexing shit. I'm just showing y'all you can do this shit too, you know. You can boss up sometimes. I don't even be trying to flex on y'all or whatever, but you can boss up sometimes. I'm iced out in this bitch too. You know how I'm coming. You feel me? You got the little bling a little bit. You know, yeah. You feel me? But this just a little something. I wanted to let y'all see how I'm coming now. Your boy ain't broke no more. Catch up. Fuck you mean? And now they go back in the box. Pharaoh status. I'm finna mummify it right now. Mummify these bitches. Pharaoh Godtte. Recording live.